So, what is the place of supply of training services? Some training has been happening. Legal base, an example. Section 12(5) of IGST Act provides a place of supply of training services. It shall be summarized by nature of recipient, place of supply. And training services provided to a registered person shall be the location of the person. So, when the training service is provided to unregistered person, where shall be location where the service is actually performed. So, I'm a registered person in Chennai. I'm asking for services in Delhi. Place of service will be Chennai, not Delhi. But when I go to Delhi, but I'm unregistered person, I'm get a service. Service is based on the location where the service is being rendered. Example, Mr. E, a resident of Bangalore, conducting training employees of Software Limited. Company based on New Delhi is a Shimla resort located in Shimla. And the place of supply of training service shall be New Delhi. The Software Limited is a registered person. The Software Limited is not a registered person, then the place of supply is training service is Shimla. That's it. This is the very great difference. Look, registered or unregistered. Registered na where I get registered, that is a place of business. If not registered, where the service is actually done, that is where is the training actually done. That is a service. That is the place where we consider as place of supply.